video, I will show you how to create a user persona survey. First, you need to click Add-on, click View Form, and load from template. Search User Persona Survey and load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and also the settings. After you refresh the page, just click View Form and then Get Link, and then click Continue, and then choose your account, click Advance, and go to View Form, and then just click Allow button. After you get the link, just copy it and paste it in the search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also custom, for example in the questions, I will insert a new row. For example, here I use question type text and question text name, like this, so the audience can fill their name. Or you can change into date, or maybe for the date of birth, like this, so it will show like this, so they can pick the date easily from the calendar. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. You can also custom the color of your form, also the button text too. For example, we change to color. Also for the title, you can give a new style. For example, I use mark behavior. You can follow the step here. Just type it, scroll amount, and then for example I use 25. And don't forget to close the code like /mark, like this. And then now the title is moving. Thank you.